How to read Ford F-150 2021 to 2024 BCM RH850 with Autel IM608 and APB131. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The Autel IM508/IM608 with the APB131 adapter supports reading RH850 BCM immobilizer data for newer Ford and Lincoln models, allowing you to add keys or perform all keys loss programming. Below is a detailed guide to help you read the Ford F-150 2022 to 2024 RH850 BCM IMMO data and program a new smart key when all keys are lost. Supported models: Ford 2021 plus F-150 Bronco, Mustang Mach-E, Focus, Mondeo. Lincoln 2021 plus Nautilus, 2022 plus Navigator, 2023 plus Corsair. Step-by-step guide for Ford F-150 2022 to 2024 all keys loss programming. Step 1. Locate the BCM body control module. The BCM module is located under the instrument panel on the passenger side of the vehicle. Disassemble and remove the BCM module for bench reading. Step 2. Prepare the BCM for bench reading. Remove fuses connected to the BCM and prepare it for IMMO data reading. If you cannot find the Ford RH850 menu, follow this path. Select Ford-F-150-2021 to 2023- Smart Key - Control Unit - Keyless System - Key Learning - Read Flash Data via Programmer. Autel will show the wiring diagram for the APB131 adapter. Connect the BCM to the APB131 adapter and the IM608 programmer. Proceed to read and save the BCM data. Step 3. Reinstall BCM and start key programming via OBD. After saving the data, reinstall the BCM module back into the vehicle. Navigate to the Key Learning menu and select Add Smart Key. You will need to load the flash data saved from Step 2. When prompted, confirm that the flash data has been read using the XP400 programmer. Turn on the ignition by pressing the Start/Stop button to access the system. Select the D-flash data saved in Step 2 to continue. Step 4. Detect and program new keys. The Autel device will detect key information, such as how many keys have already been programmed, e.g., 3 keys may have been learned previously. To program a new smart key, place the new key into the designated key slot. Common locations for key slots include: 1. Inside the armrest box. 2. Inside the cup holder. 3. Inside the glove box. Once the key is detected, proceed to learn and program the new smart key. After successful key programming, test the newly programmed smart key to confirm functionality. Additional notes: Nissan RH850 BCM. For Nissan RH850 BCM, pin reading via dump using the APB131 adapter. Follow the specific instructions for that model. By following these steps, you can successfully program new smart keys on Ford F-150 2022 to 2024 vehicles using Autel IM508/IM608 with the APB131 adapter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.